Hi my food lovers, welcome back to my channel Aksharas Epicure. Guys, are you bored having the same routine chicken and rice? So then today's twist is about both the combination, chicken rice. No more further waiting, let's get started. Here I've taken 4 tablespoons of oil. Here I'm adding 10 peppercorns, 1 star anise, half a teaspoon of Shahi Jeera, 2 bay leaves and 5 to 6 cloves. After the spices, I am adding 5 onions and 3 green chillies. These chilies are very spicy, that's the reason I'm only adding 3. If they are less spicy, you can take about 5 to 6. To caramelize the onion faster, we are adding half teaspoon of salt and we'll just give it a good mix to it. I'm gonna add freshly grinded ginger garlic paste, about 1 teaspoon. And we'll just give it a good mix to it. Now I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, and I'm going to give a good mix to it. Here I've added 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder. The pan has been dried up, so I'm just adding like 3 to 4 tablespoons of water. Guys, I have already marinated the chicken with turmeric, red chili powder and salt, each half a teaspoon. And I'm just gonna add the chicken. After mixing them well, I'm gonna add the salt, about 1 teaspoon. Guys, I have taken basmati rice about 1 glass, and equivalent to 1 glass I'm taking only 2 glasses of water. I've already washed them and soaked them for about 30 minutes. And I'll just add the rice into the chicken, give it a good mix. Now I'm gonna add lemon juice, and after that I'm gonna add lots and lots of coriander. And a touch of ghee. We'll close the lid and cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. Guys, please keep checking in between. Guys, after 25 minutes, it looks something like this. I know it looks amazing and it tastes also amazing. Please do let me know in the comment section how you love watching this video, and yes, do like and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.